Well, this is mom life right here. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I am just now getting ready. I thought I would share with you guys my quick 5-10 minute mom glam routine. We're gonna do a quick hair, quick makeup, and some outfit ideas that I've been loving. So let's go ahead and get started. Thanks so much to Bare Minerals for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited because I have used and loved Bare Minerals for a long time. So we will get to that in just a second. First up, we need to prime the skin. I do my skincare every morning. I washed my hair, so we're doing good. I usually do I call it like my long shower once a week where I wash my hair, I dry it, I self-tan, I do that whole thing. Michael watches Julian for an hour. Right now he's napping, so it's like my prime time to film a video for you guys. I've gotten so many requests to share like a quick, easy routine that I've been doing now that I'm a mom and I'm busy all the time, all that stuff. So the first thing I like to always do, if I'm gonna be wearing a powder foundation, I will do a tinted SPF underneath. This is just a tinted moisturizer from NARS. I have it in the shade medium 1, it's SPF 30. So I'm gonna put that on all over. I do this every morning, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. I'm almost out. Okay. If I'm gonna be wearing like a foundation that has some like SPF 30 or higher, then I don't need to do this, but I'm in Florida on vacation right now and I need my SPF. And a tinted one is just nice because it's like so easy. I mean, if I'm really going for something quick, I'll just do this and go. But it's Friday, I'm filming this on Friday. I think it's gonna go up early next week. You guys are probably watching this on Monday, but we're gonna go do something fun tonight. We've had a busy day, so I'm excited to kind of put on a little bit more makeup. Okay, that's mom hack number 1. Mom hack number 2 is eyelash extensions. I already feel like I look feminine and girly right when I wake up in the morning because I had lash extensions. I usually get them filled like once a month and my length is 15, 16, and 17. I have like a mix of all different lengths and that helps so much. I just don't have time to like put lashes on every day, but I love lashes, so that helps. Okay, foundation time. I'm gonna be using the Bare Minerals Original Loose Mineral Foundation with SPF 15. My shade right now is Golden Medium number 14. It's a great kind of olivey undertone. It's a really beautiful color. I've loved this color for years, but I also like medium beige or the one darker than this too. That one works really well for me. Okay, so all you do, I'm sure you guys know all about it. You pour a little bit into the cap and then you take the brush, you tap it, you swirl it, and then you buff it on. The longer you swirl it and the longer you buff it, it just looks better and better on your skin. You can build it, you can add more layers. I've worn this foundation off and on for, I mean, like 12 years. I've loved this foundation for years. I've made so many videos about it. Actually, it's kind of funny. One of my videos, one of my first videos that is still up on my channel was like a guide to Bare Minerals. So it's kind of funny. I'm excited to be working with them. One of the reasons why I love it so much is because it's clean, it's natural, mineral-based, it's really good for your skin, and you're not gonna break out or anything like that. So it's kind of like my mom hack number 3 is to use makeup that's like actually good for your skin, so you're getting the benefits of both in one. I've said that to you guys so many times, but I love using brands and makeup products that have like skincare and good ingredients built into the makeup. And you can see this like instantly evens out your skin without looking like heavy or like too much makeup. Right now I've been pretty into powder foundation because my skin is a little bit more on the oily side just because it's so hot here. So that's one layer. I usually like to do 2 layers just to get a little bit fuller coverage. It also lasts all day, so it's not like I have to spend time touching up my foundation, concealer, powder, anything like that. It's kind of like my all-in-one step. Usually I do my makeup in the morning and then I don't touch up anything except for like lip gloss throughout the day. I'm busy and I just don't even like think about it. I need something that lasts all day. And this also does have SPF 15, so that's really good too. Okay, a little concealer to cover up any dark circles. I definitely have been sleeping less, so I need a little bit of this. Julian is going to be 8 weeks old on Monday. It's crazy how fast time has flown by and it's sad. He seems like such a big boy to me now. He doesn't even seem like a baby anymore. But what I was gonna say is that he's actually been sleeping so good. If you guys watch our vlog channel, we shared that he like started sleeping through the night at exactly 6 weeks. So it's been 2 weeks now that he's been sleeping through the night, and it's like amazing. But I still am just like naturally someone that can't fall asleep early, but he likes to wake up early, so I haven't been getting as much sleep as usual. I'm trying to like get more on his schedule, but I hate waking up early. It is like something I've hated my whole life. I'm gonna quickly set my foundation and concealer with the Mineral Veil. This is just a mineral-based powder. It's sheer, so it will work on a lot of different skin tones, and it absorbs oil and just helps your makeup last all day. So I put a little bit of this all over. You can see it kind of gives you that like airbrushed soft focus effect. It's really pretty. It doesn't like settle into fine lines or anything like that or look like too powdery. That's something else I love about Bare Minerals products. They never make your skin look dry, even though they are a powder. They're like, make your skin look luminous and glowy and healthy, but yet you're not gonna get like oily or shiny throughout the day either. I like to keep my brows pretty simple, so I'm just gonna use this angled pencil from Hourglass. I always like an angled pencil just because I can kind of like carve out the shape underneath and then create short little strokes that look like hairs. So I always do a pencil, but you could also do just like a tinted brow gel if you want it to be super quick and easy. I have pretty full brows naturally, so I just like to do a little bit of detail work, and I feel like I've done this for so many years now that it takes me like 30 seconds. My next mom hack is to use a face palette. So I'm gonna use this one from Becca. It has 2 highlighters, a bronzer, and a blush. And this is kind of like everything you need to complete the face look. So I don't like to like skip out on blush or bronzer. Like I like doing that all, every day, but I don't want to spend like too much time going through all my makeup and trying to pick up blush and blah, blah, blah. So I kind of think, to be honest, just like having a routine that you stick to and getting really fast at that makes it so that you really love your makeup every day and you kind of love the look that you're going for. You're not sacrificing the products that you want to use, but it's just a lot faster. So I hope that makes sense. I'm still trying to find like the best face palette, but this one is pretty good. Their products are really like creamy and nice. So I'm gonna start with the bronzer first and just kind of do like an all over contour / bronze in one. So I do a little bit on the forehead, the cheekbones. I kind of like to connect it in the temple. I think that makes it look like you're really tan. I think that's pretty. And then a little bit on that double chin. Still trying to lose the baby weight. It has not been easy. The last like 10 pounds are the hardest, but I'm trying. Okay, so that's kind of like all I do for bronzer. I'll do a little bit down my nose. And then you guys know this is like my favorite hack, is just to take a little bronzer through the eyelid, and then it's like you did a little bit of shadow, you have a little bit of polish going on, but it's nothing that like took you forever. So go ahead and match that on the other side. Use the same brush, like it takes no time at all. Dip into that blush a little bit and then just blend it from the cheekbones back into that bronzer. And then I did blush on this side. I'll flip the brush, take a little bit of highlighter. Simple, done. Okay, big pet peeve of mine is when you can see that band from where your bronzer does not meet your hairline. So make sure you go back into your hairline. Okay, so here is where you kind of have to decide what you want to spend your time on. If I only have, 5 to 10 minutes to get ready, I'm going to spend that time making sure my skin is even, I have a little bit of a glow, a little bit of a bronze, and then, my lashes cover it for my eyes. I'll throw in a lip gloss and go. But if you think like you'd rather spend that time on your brows and your shadow and then just do like a quick little foundation routine, then do that. You know what I mean? You kind of have to, I think I've said this before, like choose what area is most important to you and what you think makes you feel most confident. So if you want to spend those 5 minutes on your eyes, do that. Your lips, do that. Your brows, whatever. For me, I like to spend the most time on my face because I think that just makes you look polished. It doesn't necessarily like bring out or enhance all of your features, but it makes you look like put together, clean, polished, and I like that look. So That's why I do the eyelash extensions, because it always looks like I've kind of done something to my eyes when I really, you know, haven't done anything, and I love them. So you just have to brush them out every couple of days. I always get questions like how I take care of them. Not every couple of days. Every morning and night. Don't only brush them out every couple of days. I don't know why I said that. But you brush them out every morning and night. And then if I do wear makeup on my eyes, I'll just use a little like baby shampoo to wash it off. And that's it. That's the only thing I do. Okay, lips. One of my favorite lip products are the Extreme Velour, is that they're called? Velour Extreme Matte Lipsticks from Laura Mercier. I love any lipstick that is in a like crayon or pencil style form like this, because I think it kind of acts as a lip liner and a lipstick in one. So that's what I'm gonna use today in the color Vibe. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of like a mauve pink. And these last all day too, which is really nice. Just taking a little bit more of that mineral veil and making sure everything is blended. Makeup is done, and now I'm gonna move on to like the fastest hair look ever. Okay, I went and changed, and I wanted to show you guys the outfits that I've been loving while my flat iron is heating up. Okay, so my style for this summer is super simple. I want something that I don't have to even think about in the morning. I just recently did a basics haul where I shared some of the things I've been loving recently, so I will link that up here if you guys want to watch it. But I really do kind of like the basic t-shirt and jeans, t-shirt and shorts type of look. So these have been my favorite denim shorts as of late. I shared them in that video, so they're really cool. They're just like a distressed medium wash denim short. I really love them because they kind of flare out, so they're a little bit more flattering on your legs, and I just think they're really nice. They're high-waisted, so they kind of like suck in your stomach. They make you look really good with a tank top, t-shirt, whatever. So I have them in the light blue. And then we recently went to Nashville and visited our friends Mallory and Kyle. If you guys didn't know, my best friend Mallory just had her baby 3 weeks after me. So our little boys are only 3 weeks apart, and it was so cute to like get them together and to meet up and stuff. So that was so much fun. But she's always a very bad influence on me when it comes to shopping. And so we went into one store, and I don't know how I spent as much money as I did. I'm ashamed to admit how much I spent. But these pieces are really, really cute, and I've already worn all of them like so many times. So I already had those shorts, and I was telling her how much I loved them. So she's like, let's go into this store, and she bought these shorts as well. And then when I was in there, I saw that they had them in white. So they're the exact same shorts, they're just in white. You guys know my obsession with white denim, so I was really excited to find these shorts in white as well. They have just the right amount of distressing, again, high-waisted, they flare out a little bit, so they're just really cute. So I've been kind of alternating between those two, and then I'll wear like a cute t-shirt. So this one is from Made Worn. It's really cute, it kind of has like some distressing on it. It's just comfortable, it's casual, it's really nice quality. So I love this one, I love all of it. And then I picked up a couple shirts from Euro as well. So this light blue one I've been wearing nonstop. It's really, really pretty. They're just kind of like light, almost linen-y type t-shirts. They're very lightweight, they're airy, they're breezy. I love their spring colors. So I got the light blue with a little distressing on it. And then this one I haven't worn yet, but it's like a very pale pink. It's really, really beautiful. So I'd wear this one with like the denim shorts, and then the blue with the white, and then this one I've been wearing with either. Just throw on some sandals, some Vans, whatever. It's a really cute little like easy mom look. Okay, so for my hair, I'm normally not someone that does straight hair, but I've been doing it recently because it takes like 30 seconds and it stays nice. It's easy to like touch up if it doesn't though. And I've gotten a lot of compliments from you guys saying that you liked my hair straight. So thank you, that was really nice. So all I do is blow dry it after the shower, and it looks like this. Brush it out. This is my flat iron. Once it's all brushed, it's just so simple. I run over it and I kind of flip it underneath at the ends. And that kind of gives it like a blowout type of look instead of just like a super straight look. What are you doing? Colby has to come in here and check everything out. This is my go-to when I have straight hair and I don't have time to tease it or curl it or anything like that. Sunglasses on top of your head. I always need a little volume, and that kind of gives me a little height at the top. I don't know why, I just love that. And like I've said before, if you don't have time to do your eye makeup, you just throw on some sunglasses and no one has any idea. And these ones are super cute. All right, this is my little 10-minute glam, my new mom morning routine that I've been doing to get my hair, my makeup, and my outfit done like super fast. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Check out the description box. I will have links to all the products that I used, including the Bare Minerals products. They're super good. I've loved them for years and years since I've started using makeup. My entire makeup life, I've loved Bare Minerals. So hope you guys check that out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks so much to Bare Minerals for sponsoring today's video.